Good day, everyone. So my name is Toto from tutorial program. So today I'll be explaining your your mail match, how to mail match. So how to mail match. So I've typed in all the necessary information already. So also the table I've also done the table also. So what we'll be doing only will be doing all the necessary changes in order to finish our main mail. So if ever I am moving too quickly for you, please do bear with me. I'll try to fix that in the near future, in the coming future. And if maybe so this is one of my first videos. So if ever the sound quality or anything is wrong concerning the video, please do bear with me. I will try to improve that as time goes. So for now, so this is our so I'm doing mail match. So I'll be doing it from computer practice and 5 question paper. The November 2022 question paper. So November 2022 question paper. So I've already typed in all the information and the table also. So concerning the table, so we'll be doing section B of the question paper. So section B says question 6. Question 6, they say, as the Secretary of Center for Disease Control Prevention, you are required to invite the following premiers to a COVID-19 awareness. Okay, so can we just do this quickly? Can we just fix something quickly? Then, yeah. So we are required to do question 6. Question 6. So question 6, they require us to do the table. So since I've already done the table, I'll just show you what you need to do in order to fix your table so that when you mail match, your table comes out the way it's supposed to come out. So if you can check on the question paper. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, so sorry for that. So see question 6a. So we add question 6a. So question 6a, they say use the mail match function to create a data file using the information in the table. So if you can see, we have fields, we have letter 1, letter 2, letter 3, and then we have title going down. Title, say name, venue, town, province. So all that information, it's going vertically, so going down. And all that information is supposed to go horizontal. For example, let's say I was required to do the table. So I was going to say insert and then table. So when you type in the table, so your title, your surname, and your venue, town, province, they should be on the top, and then all the other information should be going down like vertical. So for example, so the table will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 going to the side, going horizontally, and then 3 going down like this. Okay, so here's our table. So I'll just delete the table after. This is just an example. So we'll have our title, and then initial, surname, and then here we'll have what venue. So instead of typing all this information going down, the way is as it's shown on your question paper, you need to type it going sideways, because if you type it going down, your information, when you have to manage, the information will be wrong. So in this case, venue, and then town, and then you have your province. So I can show you the table that I've already made, because I don't know, I'm using Zoom, so I don't know if I can travel successfully between different I don't know if I can travel successfully between different documents. So but then for now we are here. So yeah, and then we have time, and then from there Going down, you have your Mr. Mama, Mr. And then the initially will be A, and then venue will be off. So yeah, this is basically it. I won't type in the whole table because yeah, I was just showing you an example of how you do all that information. So you type in all the information going to the side. Otherwise, if you type it going down, the information will be wrong. So let me just undo everything. And then we have this, and then initially we have this. And then let's main match. So 6B. So 6B, they say using the main match function to prepare, use the main match function to prepare the letters to premiers or primary documents. Use career new 12. So this information should be career new 12. So just highlight everything. And then just the font size. The font actually. The font should be what? Career, just see, career new. Yeah, all career new. And then 12. 12. Then we have something like this. So yeah. So I've already made all the necessary changes. So I'm assuming you are doing N5, so you should be able to know, you should know how to do all those changes. Okay, the one thing that I haven't included is our address. So how do you include your address? So let's start by showing the ruler. Our ruler. So we just come to view, and then we have our ruler here. So we have all this. So they're saying our address has to be 5.08 centimeter. I'm reading from the question paper that I have here. So 5.08 centimeter or 2 inch. So some laptops, some computers, they use the centimeters like mine. So this is centimeters. Looking at my ruler, I can tell that this is my centimeters. And then some use inches. So maybe it will be like 1, and then there's like 2, 3 here, 14, kanjalo kanjalo. So yeah, in this case, I'm using the centimeters, so it will be easy. So I have to put a tab stop. I have to put a tab stop where my address has to be. So how you put tab stop or tab stop. Come to paragraph, and then from paragraph, you see tabs. And then from the tabs, so they said it should be what 5,08. 5,08. So you can see here the default tab was 1,27 centimeters. So they're telling me already that my tabs are using centimeters. So if it's using inches, it won't be centimeters. It will be say maybe 2 inch. So that's when you know you're supposed to say 2 inch. So just say 5,08, and then you say set, and then K. So if you can see here, 5,8, my tab stop is on 5,08. So this thing indicates a tab stop. So when I type in my address, I'll just on your keyboard, just press tab. Yeah. Let me just do this thing again. 5,08, and set K, and then just say tab. So when you press tab, it automatically brings you where you need to write in your address. So it's for and then say enter, and then you press tab again on your keyboard, and then you write that PO box 154, then tab and back and then yeah 1700. You say tab 1700. So just fix that, the spacing between the spacing. So just say and then you have something like this, if I'm not mistaken. So you just fix the spacing between that. So how do you fix that? You just highlight everything, and then you say paragraph, and then just change this after points. It was 8 before, just change it to 0, and then say okay. Then your heading will be proper. Your address actually will be proper. And then they saying as a header, and then so you all know how to insert our headers and footer. And then they say stay safe. Okay, insert fields where brackets of the brackets. So now we start the main match. So now we start the main match. So how do we main match? So when you main match, you come to mailings. From mailings, you say what? Add select recipients. Select recipient. They say use existing list. So using existing list, go to. So you go to where you save the table that you've already done before. So where you save the table, so just N5. And then here's my table, which is 6, question 6a. And then select. So if you can see before I select all this, as you can see, this information is blank. You don't see anything on this information, but then after I open, the information appears. So now the information appears here on top. So now you can see what's happening here on top. So we have to insert everything accordingly. So province. So here we come to insert match field. This is province. We say province, and then we just delete this one. Same thing with town. Just insert town is town, and then just delete this one. Type in, and then we have our title. So just insert title, and then also initial and surname, and then just delete the ones type in. Also same thing with here. Delete, and then what's next? We have our venue here. So we just insert venue, and just delete this venue. And then we have our town. Say town. And just delete this town. Then we have province. Province. And just delete the other province. And then we have what? We have time. Time. And just delete this other time. Yo! Recording. Oh, see. And then okay, so for that, so okay, so time, and then what's next? So I think that's basically everything. So I think that's more or less everything. And then how do you check if you done the correct thing? So you just say what? Just say preview results. So when you say preview results, as you can see, it's Mr. A Wonder, what, and then all the other information has been put in, like your town, examination number, your time, and all that. So if you want to check the next person, just click here, Mr. Makura, and then the next one, Zika Lala, and all that. And then, so that's how you mail match. That's how you mail match. So they're saying insert full word brackets, underline and bold the full names, underline and bold the full names. So meaning you have to underline and bold those full names. So our full names, here's our full names. And this also bold, underline. So same thing with all the other full names. You bold and underline. So this bold and underline. So when you preview results, this information will be bold and it should be underlined, but then it's not underlined, but then yeah. Let me see, bold and underline. Oh, did I tell you instead of underline? So this is underline. Okay, so same thing on this. Bold and underline instead of italic. So italic. So we say preview result. So this is the information will appear as follows. So that's basically how to imagine, how to image. So B, the same, you save the document, they print out in portrait. So you just save and then you just come to file, print, and then make sure it's in portrait as they told you. So this is portrait, and then we have landscape also. So the same portrait, and you just, and so here's your how your letter will be. So if maybe printing a letter for S Zikalala, so this is how it will be. And then question 6C, change the heading to question 6C, document print all the match letters in portrait. So you have to print the letters for each and every person. So Mr. Zakalala, everyone. You print all the letters and then put them on your examination folder. So that's how you do your mail match. So yes, I'm done with the mail match. Okay, so that's basically it concerning mail match. So if ever you didn't understand anything, please just go through, just redo, or just go through everything that I've done, that I've covered before. Just rewatch the video and maybe get a deeper understanding concerning this mail match. So otherwise, from me to you guys, do stay safe. Thank you for watching.